Is your iPhone suddenly stuck on a purple screen? Don't take it to a repair shop just yet. Try this. If your iPhone becomes completely unresponsive or gets stuck on a strange purple screen, it may be experiencing a temporary software or system glitch. The first thing to try is a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even if the screen goes black. Don't let go until you see the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and let your iPhone restart. That's it. A force restart can help when the iPhone becomes frozen or unresponsive without deleting your data. And if the purple screen keeps coming back, even after restarting, then it could indicate a more serious software or hardware problem and you may need further support. But for a one-time frozen screen, try the force restart first. And that's it. If this helps you fix your iPhone, leave a like and subscribe to Tech Tip Tabs for more useful iPhone tips.